This video tutorial demonstrates how a student submits a paper to VeriCite using the Sakai native integration. In Sakai, navigate to the assignment you would like to submit. You will see a message letting you know that your paper will be submitted to VeriCite. You may enter your text into the rich text editor or select a file to submit. VeriCite accepts most file types, such as Word, PDF, rich text, and OpenOffice. However, it does not support Apple Pages or Microsoft Works. When you are ready to submit your assignment, click the Submit button. And that's it! Your paper has been submitted to VeriCite. If your instructor has allowed students to view their own reports, a link to the report will appear on the assignment details screen once it is available.